Hey everyone, welcome back to Xatrix. Today is a big day, guys. We've got our first supercar in. It's a McLaren 720s. It's coming in for a Fabspeed LT Style Exhaust. Guys, when I tell you this exhaust is a work of art, I mean it. Guys, we're going to take you on this journey with us. You're going to enjoy it. We're going to show you a lot of the stuff that we do behind the scenes. And this is Xatrix going big, guys. So just before we start work on this car, we're going to take some before videos of the exhaust as it is from factory. It does sound quite nice, but we feel that it needs more volume here at Xatrix. We like loud cars. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to take you around the back, start the car up. It's not that cold. It's been sat for about maybe 10-15 minutes. So let's get it. Alright guys, as you've seen, the Fabspeed exhaust has finally been fitted to the car. Let us know what you think in the comments down below.